morning. Breaking down ACs today. Gotta throw all this trash away. Just breaking it and making it happen. Throwing more shred in there, small pieces. But that's what we're doing. Just filling up the trailer. Gotta clean that one out. Has copper. Trash. Dumpster day is on Thursday, so I'm gonna clean that out. And I broke some more over here. Cans. I got cans everywhere. More cans. I really gotta clean up. Gotta take the copper out of those. Wire. Bunch of wire. Bunch of other stuff. And so, doing my stash here. Hopefully by the end of the month I can take whatever I did. That's what we have for today. I'll be posting videos from the trip on shorts. And this is what I was cutting when I cut myself. Gotta finish that without cutting myself. But yeah, that's what we have. Alright guys, peace.